good morning. I'm back again, but today it's not my day. I usually cook. This is my daughter-in-law's baking day, and I always get here. I really don't like it, but they force me to come here every year. But I want to introduce you to the bakers. So if you have any things you want me to do as far as desserts, you have to go through them. This is my granddaughter Angela and my daughter-in-law Lisa.
Hi.
Please help me. I hope I can get through this. Thank you. See you later.
I'm Angela.
And I'm Jonas.
Every year around the holidays, our family and a few friends get together and bake all day, from nearly dawn till dusk.
This year, we made 14 different kinds of cookies.
After the baking, we gift them to our loved ones.
This has been our family tradition for around 25 years.
And as Angie's grandchildren, the two of us will carry on the tradition for years to come.
Hi. Okay, I just want to let you know, we did all the cookies. I had nothing to do with all this. They just tell me what to do, and these three little bodies here, my daughter and my son, who are not in the video, they all participated. It's all done. They are magnificent. Look how beautiful they boxed them. And now, whenever you watch this video, they're going to attach the recipes to it. And if you want any of the cookie recipes, they'll be more than happy to make them for you. And I wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.